Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Tonight we've come to Rio Steakhouse. Yes, we've been to Rio Steakhouse twice before. The last time wasn't so good, but this time we've come to the one at the quayside and not Jesmond.
Sigue a donde va. No llores, más llorona. Llorona, deja la tristeza atrás.
So first up we've got our salad bar, which although it's a salad bar, here still have meat.
Deja la tristeza.
Emma, you do know there's lots of meat.
Yeah, but that's me.
Peppercorn sauce and fries.
Yes, please. That is well. Thank you.
Yes, please, yeah. Wow, look at this.
Thank you.
Fillet steak. Lovely. Perfect, thank you. Please. Thank you.
Is there a bit more?
So the way it works is, if this card's on red, you won't fetch meat. If it was on green, you keep touching it. More sausage, then more meat. One of my favourites. Perfect, thank you. Please. Thank you. Perfect, thank you.
Medium well.
That'll do. Be okay. Yeah, I'll be okay.
Go on, I will.
Thank you. Gotta try the garlic. This is garlic steak. Now at Rio in Jesmond, I said I didn't like the sausages. Here, I do like the sausages. And so far the experience throughout Newcastle, obviously we're only halfway through our meal, has been so much better than the Jesmond one. And the views, look at that. Yeah, ignore the sound. And the meat just keeps on coming. So I want lemon pork and chicken thighs. Thank you.
What does that look like?
Rare.
It's rare.
Yeah, no.
We've got some sirloin. Nice rare one. Unfortunately, Emma likes the medium well. And now with some ribeye. Lamb, please, yeah. Thank you. Perfect, thank you.
A no for me.
Well, something I have to say. When I first went to Jesmond Rio, the peppercorn sauce was absolutely fantastic. Last time I went, I think I said in the video, oh, it's my favourite peppercorn sauce. And then it went there. The peppercorn sauce here, fantastic. Top draw. And I'm actually having to take a break right now. The meat sweats is hitting. I tell you another difference between here and the Jesmond one. The staff here are absolutely fantastic. They're really, really helpful, and they're straight to you. if you need anything. So yeah, they are very, very attentive, very polite, really quite professional. It's absolutely amazing how two restaurants, which are part of the same chain, can be so different. The Jesmond one, like I said last time, went downhill, but it never really felt upmarket, where this one in Newcastle just feels like it's on a level way above Jesmond, like way above. And although I am absolutely stuffed, I got convinced to get a biscoff cheesecake. Emma made me. She did. Emma made me. Actually, it was Eve, the server, that made me. So, as we're walking out of Rio, look at that. Because it is upstairs. It's actually upstairs to a traditional steakhouse. But anywho, yeah, I have to say that that is probably, in fact, no, it is. That is definitely my favourite restaurant from now on. So much better than the Jesmond one. Even, I just tripped there. Did you see that? Did you see that? Shall I leave that in or shall I? No. Anywho, yeah, I just fell over. Yeah. Ooh, it's a Lamborghini. Park like a twat. Anywho. Look. Cow. Look. A Lamborghini and a cow. Sorry, I think we're a little bit giddy with all the meat I've had. Yes. So, Jesmond. Really, really loved Jesmond when I first went. Loved it when I went with Jason there. Didn't like it the last time we went. Had a really pretty bad experience, to be fair. Rio Quayside, Newcastle, with the Millennium Bridge in the background and the Sage. That's where it's at. 5-star. Anywho, gotta walk back to the car now and well, try and hobble back to the car because I'm so stuffed. Oh yeah, forgot to mention Cambridge. See you on the next one. Now it's time to do your job.